How to send BNB from Binance to Coinbase Wallet. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can transfer BNB from your Binance to Coinbase Wallet. So before we begin with that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First step, open up your Binance. Head over to the wallet section on the bottom right, then tap on the spot option and then tap on withdraw. What we're doing here is we're withdrawing our BNB from our Binance to our Coinbase wallet. So tap on withdraw, then from here simply select BNB. After you select your coin, you can then simply select how you want to transfer it, that is via crypto network or via email, phone or ID. Tap on via crypto network. You'll also need to have the address of your Coinbase wallet. Now select a network, choose whichever network that you want. Then from here you can select which funding wallet you want to use or from where you want to send it. Then as you can see, you can choose whichever you want, spot wallet or funding wallet. Then finally confirm the order, and after you confirm the order, you're good to go. And that's how you can send BNB from Binance to Coinbase wallet. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.